Hello, 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 and thanks again for joining us as we make our way through our 14-day challenge towards Valentine's Day. Today is day 5, and we have something special for you. Today, we're going to talk about humility in relationship, humility in marriage. And as I go through all of this, I just want everybody to be aware that all these different topics doesn't mean that one is supposed to not speak up when they're experiencing, some negative feelings in their relationship, or they maybe enabling their spouse with bad behavior to keep doing that. That's not the point here. Of course, if there's something going on in a relationship you're not satisfied with, it's important to bring it up. It's important to talk through it. But what's important is how it's done, how that is communicated to your spouse. And being humble doesn't mean that you take any blow that is thrown at you. That's not the point at all. But being humble is your ability to be assertive, to be able to listen and process issues and take responsibility for areas that you have to improve or be better. So, pride blocks intimacy in so many ways. So, if we are not willing to be humble, the pride we have really gets in the way of intimacy and our ability to connect with our spouse. Humility opens the door for healing and teamwork. Can you imagine what can be done when two of you agree on things? You agree on your goals, your dreams, your aspirations. You can get so much done than being at odds with each other, or when something happens, the other one doesn't want to say I'm sorry, the other one is waiting for who to say sorry first. It all prolongs the conflict, and all of that erodes intimacy and connection in your relationship. So it's important for us to be humble. It's important for us to realize that when something goes wrong, it's okay to own our part and just say sorry. 1 Peter 5:5 says that clothe yourself with humility. It's a very key part of a relationship. Again, this is one of the scriptures you don't think about when you think about marriage, right? But it's important that we humble ourselves and accept responsibility. Now, the question we ask is why is it so hard to say sorry when we know that we are at fault? The first is pride and ego. If you know that you're not able to say sorry when something goes wrong, check your pride, check your ego. What are you trying to protect? What are you building a wall around? The next is the fear of being blamed. You'll be blamed when you accept responsibility. Of course,